right, welcome students. In this video, we're going to be looking at the midpoint formula between 2 points. Here we go. First thing I stated in class was that the coordinate point is, the midpoint is a coordinate point, which means it's an x and a y. It's not just a one number. And how do we get the x? Well, you have 2 points, right? And so these are your endpoints. And the midpoint is going to be somewhere in the middle, and it's going to form a straight line. This is going to have the same slope. Okay, so it's going to be the average of the x's on the endpoints. So we'll add those x's and divide by 2 to get the x value, and to get the y, we'll add the y's and divide by 2. So here we go. So they give you 2 points, and once again, lower this a little bit so we can see the numbers better. I stack my numbers, my coordinate points, because I've said this before, I can see my x's so much better. So to find the x, I'm going to add the x's. So this is 2 plus 6 and divide by 2. So this will give me a 4. And then for the y, I'll add the y's. So it's 3 plus 9. And then divide by 2. And that gives me a 6. So the midpoint is 4, 6. Not bad, huh? Okay, let's try it with some negative numbers. This is -3, -8, and -7, -4. Okay. I'm going to add these numbers. So it's -3 plus -7. So -3 plus -7 and divided by 2. So in the calculator, if you have one that does the fraction bar, it's rather easy. So you do the negative sign, 3 plus a -7. So you see? And then we divide by 2, we get -5. If you have a funky calculator, right, then you do the numerator first. So you do -3 plus -7, you hit the equal sign, right? And then you do divide by 2. And then that's how you get your -5. And then for the y's here, it would be -8 plus -4. Divided by 2, and that gives us -6. So the midpoint is -5, -6.